Sasha Filipovich started sewing masks in March for friends and family south of the border.
As I saw numbers kind of getting worse in the States, I kind of started to worry.
Now she's selling them online and at this Vancouver shop.
I like to wear it when I go to the coffee shop and grab my beans. When I go into the grocery store, I definitely wear it. Anytime I'm going to be close to somebody, I do it as a safety precaution and as a sign of respect.
But up until now, masks haven't been officially recommended in Canada. Today, the country's chief public health officer is shifting her messaging as more stores reopen.
It is for you to protect others. So if two people are wearing masks, I'm protecting you and you're protecting me.
Masks are still not mandatory, but for those times when physical distancing isn't possible, Tam says you should wear one. Early in the pandemic, face coverings were thought to give people a false sense of security, perhaps more of a risk with people adjusting their mask with unwashed hands. But with new data about asymptomatic carriers and their potential role in transmission, the suggestion for masks has been upgraded to a recommendation.
Well, I think it's a good idea. I just can't seem to find one.
I'm so used to it now, so it's basically business as usual.
Wearing a mask doesn't replace those other measures like keeping your physical distance, washing your hands, and staying home when you're sick. But it is now recommended that you wear one, especially if you find yourself in tight spaces like a small store or if you're getting on a bus.
So if I'm sitting on a bus and there's somebody that is 3 feet away from me instead of 6 feet away from me, if we both have masks on, that's a good thing.
The Prime Minister promising to lead by example.
In situations where I'm either walking through the halls of Parliament or going to my office and coming in proximity to people, I've chosen to start wearing a mask.
In an effort to make donning a mask part of the new normal.
I see more people wearing them. I see more people embracing masks. I see more people accepting it.
Tina Lovegreen, CBC News, Vancouver.